Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, which is right here. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so you can see it if we've got this capture option highlighted. All we have to do right now is to enter the settings because unfortunately the timer is not highlighted here. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and now we have to find a special option which is called countdown duration in this device. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 3 different options, so off, 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. It is immediately notified right here, so we can go back and now simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, we've got it. Of course you can always turn off the timer, just enter the settings again, countdown duration, and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.